How to sell or share Facebook accounts in 3 minutes easily with DICloak. Are you troubled by these issues when sharing Facebook accounts? Customers get an account abnormal alert after logging in with the Facebook account. When selling or sharing multiple accounts, transfer profiles and proxies manually resulting in heavy workload. Customers struggle with profile configuration and cause frequent after-sales issues. With DICloak, you can package and sell or share your accounts plus profiles together. The first step is to load Facebook accounts into profiles. DICloak supports both simple create and batch create. You can create profiles for single or few accounts directly. For multiple accounts, you can batch create them. DICloak offers sharing or transferring profiles. When customers purchase accounts and need ownership, you can transfer profiles. Customers can download DICloak and click the avatar in the top right corner to find the team ID. The seller selects the profile, then clicks Transfer. Select Profile Name and Proxy Information to ensure the customer doesn't need to reconfigure. Paste the customer's team ID or the email registered DICloak, enter your DICloak password for verification, and click Confirm. Customers can find the profile in their list and click Open to use it. When renting accounts or sharing with members without transferring ownership, you can share profiles. Select Sharing Permissions. Paste the customer's team ID or the email registered DICloak, enter your DICloak password for verification, and click Confirm. Customer receives the profile and clicks Shared with Me to find the shared profile, then clicks Open to use it. All records are available in My Share for tracking. Click the link below the video to download the latest version of DICloak and make your Facebook account transactions faster and more secure.